If you grow weed, you're going to want to listen to this video. Hey guys, my name is Dr. Mark Shankman, CEO and founder of Rentic Global Solutions. Here to talk to you if you're involved in the cannabis industry, if you grow hemp, if you harvest CBD, any of those things, you're going to want to hear how atmospheric water generation is the solution to the indoor or outdoor grower. So I want to talk to you about the 6 ways that AWGs, or atmospheric water generators, can help your business if you grow cannabis. First, AWGs can provide a consistent water source. There is never going to be a shortage of water vapor in the air. The atmospheric water generators take that water vapor and convert it into usable irrigating water or clean drinking water. However, for the cannabis industry, we're talking about providing a consistent source, and cannabis, as you know, requires a lot of water, and we can provide that consistent source of that water. Also, this allows the cannabis grower to be independent of local water sources. So you don't have to rely on those local water sources. And of course, if they cut you off, or there's a drought, or there's a restriction placed based on the local water source, you have a means to overcome that. And you have an available, consistent water source for your business. Secondly, we're talking about enhanced water quality. So we can get pure water without contaminants to your plants, to your crop. And of course, as you know, when you're growing cannabis, toxins and chemicals can severely impact the amount of CBD, the amount of THC, the amount of cannabis, the amount of hemp that you can actually generate and harvest. Also, this provides you great amounts of control. You, the cannabis grower, can control the nutrients that are placed into that water and can maximize that for your cannabis cultivation. So, if you're watching this and you're not involved in cannabis growing, you may not know that you need different nutrients and different pHs at various stages of the cannabis growth, and you can control this very, very minutely and very specifically. The third thing is you can control cost, and cost control is very important in any business. I don't care what business you're talking about, and certainly in the cannabis industry. So this allows you to, thirdly, it gives you control over cost, and controlling cost, I don't care what business you're in, is an important aspect of business, and certainly in the cannabis industry, you've got to control costs as well. And over time, atmospheric water generators reduce the cost because you're not having to buy as much water, and you're not reliant on the amount of cost of that water that you're purchasing. And it also allows you to do sustainable practices that don't drain or reduce the groundwater or surface water supplies that are becoming more and more scarce. You can also lower operational costs because you don't have to transport water in. And many times the local water supplies are not enough, and you're actually having to truck in water or pipe and transport water up hills, which is very, very expensive, through the old pipe systems. And of course that contributes to contaminants as well. So you can control cost, minimize the cost, and allow for better operational expense. This also allows for environmental sustainability. I can say that 3 times fast. So as I mentioned before, this is a form of conservation. So you're not depleting current water sources, but you're drawing the water out of the air. The other thing many people don't realize is water vapor is the second most powerful greenhouse gas. And so we can actually reduce climate change, and we can reduce the global warming effect by taking some of the water vapor out of the air. We'd also get a reduction in pollution simply by reducing the amount of runoff that occurs and the chemicals that get distributed through that runoff. And then we can also reduce pollutants from plastics that are used for transporting the water, and the transportation pollution as well. The fifth important aspect of AWGs is scalability and adaptability. The fifth important aspect of AWGs is their scalability and their adaptability. AWGs, say that 3 times fast, AWGs come in various sizes and can be scaled for small or large scale operations, and come in various sizes that allow for that scalability. They're also portable, and that allows you to move them around and allows you to create different configurations and to be adaptable and move around on the fly, which creates more flexibility in your business, which of course is an important aspect as you grow. And then the sixth aspect of AWGs that will help your business in the cannabis industry is risk management. This is a way to offset what may occur in the future. It provides a buffer against climate change and restrictions that may occur in the future. You can use this also as infrastructure backup. So let's say you're utilizing local water sources and suddenly those water sources are cut off. Now you have a backup, built-in backup system in place to ensure that you don't lose crops, that you continue to grow and you continue to build your business. So if you're in the industry, if you're in the cannabis industry, this was chock full of mistakes, but this video is to show you that anybody can shoot these videos and you don't have to be a perfect speaker. But I want you to know, if you're in the cannabis industry, AWGs absolutely can impact, can grow, can develop your cannabis crops, and they're an important aspect of your business. So if you appreciated this video, like, share, and comment. Check out the rest of our content. Become a follower, a subscriber, a friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.